What's up, everybody? It's your girl Pretty Percent. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. Hey, I'm doing something totally different today. I can't wait to show you. It's for beginners. It's not putting a wig on my head. It's not putting makeup on, but just come along and watch. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. Alright guys, I've already washed my hair and blow dried it, and I put some moisturizer in it. Woo! I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do. And what I'm doing is crocheting some passion twist in my hair. I bought this passion twist from Amazon. Let me show it to you. I got the 24-inch. It came with 7 packs. It's called Carita or Carita. You gotta find out how you're really supposed to say it. I think it's Carita. Anyways, I bought it and I have crocheted hair in my head before, but I have never crocheted any pre-twisted braids in my hair. These are twists, not actual braids, but I'll show you how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so light. Look at there. And it's 24 inches, 1B. It comes with the little loops in the front, so when you crochet it in your head, you can put it through the loop. It comes with a crochet needle. I already had some, but I like this. This is the crochet needle. And it has these little jewels you can put on it too. You know, like people that wear the twist and they have dreads, they put these little caps on their hair. I'm gonna try to do that at the end. Get all fancy with it. Well, I'm not gonna be talking much. I'm gonna speak over me doing the tutorial. This will be my first time putting these twists in my hair. And I'm gonna use the rubber band method. So just watch me do it. Oh, and also I'll be using some edge control. I like to use edges. Am I showing it right? Oh, here you go. And you're gonna see how I do it. So just come along and watch me work. All right, guys, here are the tools that I will be using. I'm using the rat tail comb, the edge control. I have a crochet needle, and I'm using hair from Carita Passion Twist. You want to make sure you wash your hair really good and blow dry it good also. That's what I did. My hair gets really thick after I blow dry it, but it's going to be perfect for this process. So you want to make sure you separate your hair. I started out in the front where I'm going to be parting it, going all the way across. I'm going to be using the rubber band method. They said that's the best method to use. Separate it with some clips that you have. You can get that from your local beauty supply store. I make sure I put some edge control on my hair on each little square box that I part. But I put it all on my hair, and then I put the rubber band on. Don't want to put it on too tight because you don't want it to pull your hair. If it pulls your hair, it can pull your edges, and you want to save those edges, girl. So go ahead and put it together. Make sure it's all moisturized looking. Don't want to pull it too tight once again because you don't want to pull out your hair. So I made sure I made about 7 of the squares in the front. I'm putting the edge control all on the beginning to the end. I saw some people that do hair, like when they do braids, they use edge control or some kind of gel to put on their hair. But hey, I know I'm looking crazy right now. Just bear with me. I know I'm looking like Angelica's little doll that she used to carry around in Rugrats. But I promise you, it's gonna all look good at the end. So I'm making another row, and you want to make sure you part it really good, really straight, so it can look presentable. It'll look like some illusion braids, really. Once I do the passion twist, it's gonna look like I have individuals all over my head, and that's just how you want people to think, the way you're like separating it from the beginning and everything. So right here, I'm just making sure I'm parting it really good, going down in a row and combing it. Then you want to make sure you moisturize it, like I said, with the edge control. After I do this, I'm gonna put it all together. You want to put both of the rows together, with another rubber band, not too tight because you don't want to pull out your hair. And that's what I was doing. This was my first time, so I think I'm doing pretty good for the first time, right? Yeah, I think so. And after this, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait to put this passion twist in my head. I make sure in the back area, you're gonna connect the hair together and connect it by corn rolling it in the back. So I have about 7 rows since I have 7 boxes in the front. And if you don't know how to corn roll, you're gonna have to call your mom, call your sister, your friend, ask them, can they come over real quick and corn roll some of your hair? Because you are trying to put some crochet passion twist in your hair so you can be looking fly. So in the back, if you want to connect them so it can last longer, you need to put it together. You don't even have to braid it. You don't have to sew it in like some people use. We're trying to do a quick method, right? So I'm going to use a rubber band and put it in a ponytail. And then I'm going to just clip it up. You'll see me clip it up with a bobby pin. And again, you don't want to put anything too tight. I didn't braid it all the way down on my neck either. So here I am, about to start the process. Use your crochet needle and put it down behind the rubber band. Make sure the latch is open when you put it in your hair so it won't catch any of your hair. That part will hurt. You'll be like, ouch, and you don't want to hurt nothing and pull out any hair, you know? We're trying to save our hair. Crocheting the hair is way quicker and better than doing individual braids. So after you put the hair through, you pull the loop at the top of the hair. I was kind of struggling a little bit on my first one because I couldn't get that loop open all the way. And I didn't want the hair to look all messed up and all jumbled up together. So anyways, you can see I get it together finally. I put the hair through the loop, pull it through like it's a knot, get it in there like that. And this hair is so soft, guys. I love it. This is a 24-inch. And then I start going to the back. I always know it's better to work from the back all the way to the front. And you just want to repeat this process all over with the crochet needle. Make sure the latch is closed when you're putting it down in your hair. Pull it through the loop, pull it up like a little knot, and voila. That's how it'll come out looking. I used a mirror so I could see what I was doing in the back. And hey, when this hair is done, I'm going to be going out, guys. I'm going to go to the beach with this hair. You could put this hair in different styles. Up in a ponytail, wear it in the back. Make sure you fill it out real good. In the front, I want to make sure I put at least 2 on each square so it wouldn't look kind of like crazy and like it's missing any pieces. At the end, you want to make sure you go back and fill it in. But hey, this hair was soft, it was lightweight, and you know what? I could reuse this hair too because it doesn't get nappy. That's what I love about this passion twist. So right now I'm just filling out the back, making sure everything is good, making sure there's nothing loose. And if it is, you could just put a bobby pin in it. So I'm gonna whip that hair back, bam, just like that. And the end part, hey, it's time to do those edges. So I just used the edge control. I didn't do it all fancy or nothing. I just pulled out some of my hair and just went away with it. But like I said, I love how this hair feels. It's so soft. All right, guys, this is the finished touch. And it didn't take me so long. It took me really about 2 hours at the most. And it came with 7 packs. And I've only used 6.5, I believe. So I had 1 whole pack still left. And then some more. Later I might fill in more. It's just so much and I don't want it to be so heavy, but it's really light right now. Later I could probably untwist them and twist them up some more, but this style will last. That's what I am happy about. And probably it'll last about a month, really, depending if my braids get really loose and then the hair can get loose. But thanks for watching, and make sure you comment below if you have any questions of how I did my hair. I showed you from the beginning to the end, and you know, this was my first time crocheting passion twist in my hair. I have crocheted some curly hair in my head before, but never any braids, and I actually love it. I love it. And if you want to know what kind of hair, I'm gonna make sure I put everything down in the description box and from where I got the hair from. Again, like and share my video. Thanks for watching with Pretty Percent. See you next time. Drink from my sunshine.